In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to play with friends online in NBA 2K26. So first of all, go to Play Now section, and under it, we need to go to the Quick Play mode, and from here, we need to press Y key on Xbox or triangle key on PlayStation to play with friends, and then it will open this team menu. On this team menu, firstly pick your side, so I'm just gonna pick this side, and then to invite our friends, we need to press right stick on Xbox or PlayStation like so. Then it will open this right panel. On this right panel, you can see who's online or who's not. In case you wanna invite someone from cross platform, then for that press RB or R1 on PlayStation to scroll through this menu. So if you wanna add someone from your friends list, then you can search for them from here, or if someone is on different platform, then you can add them from here too. Once you invite your friend and he accepts your invite, he will be added on this menu screen, and he can pick his side and pick his own team like so. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.